Welcome to the second lesson. I'm your teacher, Anissa. Today we'll be learning how to import the template and make our font. We'll start by going into Calligraphr.com. But before that, just so you know, you can only use template from Calligraphr.com to make your font. Any other templates won't work. After going in this page, go to My Fonts tab and then click on Upload Template. And then click Choose File. And then click Choose File again. And then choose your template from the folder you saved your template in. So after that, click on Upload Template. And then it's gonna process for a while, for a little bit only. And then on the drop down, scroll all the way down and then click Add Characters to your font. If you want to add some more character variants, you can click on Upload Template again and then upload your template by following the previous step. Now click on Build Font and then give it a name. I want to name it Valerie Sans Medium because I think it has a nice ring to it and the font is medium font. So yeah. And we're done. Okay, now click on Build over here. And then we're gonna process again and then click here on yourfontname.ttf. After clicking, you'll see a drop down and then click on download there. And then you're done. Our work is almost done. In the next lesson, we'll import it onto your iPad. See you in the next lesson.